So in my highlight, I really just like to invite clients into my chair, like right from my Instagram. So it starts off with going through a little bit what they would expect if they were to come into the salon for a consultation. In my salon, consultations are required. You have to book because we do so much double booking and we don't want to be off on time. So the Instagram highlights and doing a virtual consultation through usually direct message has helped me get to know a client. I make them send me their inspiration photos, usually 2 to 3. They also send me either a photo of their hair outside or near a window in natural light. I can ask for a couple of those too if I'm not getting the right angle. We also have done Facebook video chats so I can get to know them, but it definitely opens up and it starts the appointment before they even get into the salon. So we go back and forth on services that they might have asked for, but it won't really give them the look that they're going for. So I will educate them and tell them the difference between services and get them comfortable with what they really need to have done. A lot of people ask for balayage and balayage might not get them the photo that they really want. So I'll kind of open them up to highlights, tell them the price difference, but they definitely have a very good idea of how long they're going to be in the salon, what their appointment's going to look like, how much waiting they're going to have to do, and their price at the end of the day. So typically I will book them if I have the time and they're, if we are having an active conversation going on and I think that it'll be a fast process, I'll ask for like their availability and I'll give them times that work for my schedule too. If it's something where I think it might take too long or I don't have the time to do it, I will refer them to call the salon. I'll give them the number and the name of our receptionist, and I will tell them what to say to the receptionist so that they know exactly what to book. And if I'm at the salon and I have the time, I'll also tell a receptionist that, hey, Karen called, or I've talked to her, she's going to give you a call, and just kind of set everything up so it's very smooth.